Hello, this is Ben Cooper from Berthon. I'm introducing you to a walk around video of the Najad 404 BRINDABELLA with Alan McIlroy in Varazze in Italy.
Hello, it's Alan McIlroy here from Berthon International. This morning we found ourselves in a rather sunny Varazze in northern Italy. It's about 30 minutes from Genoa actually, so it's a rather handy location. And this morning we're here to look at this rather nice Najad 405 from 2009 BRINDABELLA. Now she is, I have to say, a particularly good example. She's been with the one owner from new. Obviously a very well loved and looked after member of the family. They took delivery in the UK, but sailed down to the Mediterranean a number of years ago. And just on that note, she was in the Mediterranean at point of Brexit, and that's been well documented, so she is regarded as an EU VAT paid as well, for those of you interested in that aspect. So let's have a quick wander around. Here we are on the foredeck, fairly conventional rig. Furling gear on the front there and a Delta style anchor. Teak-led decks. Nice stainless trimmed hatches, as you can see. Anodized aluminium rig and boom with in-mast furling. The sails, I should point out, are one sails, and those are from 2019, so relatively young. And the life raft there on the coach roof, securely mounted, and that was fairly recent survey date on that also. Full spray hood, bimini, and cockpit enclosure there on the canvas work, which is all in good order. Elk hide covered wheel on the pedestal, autopilot controls, bi-thruster controls there as you can see, and a full suite of Raymarine instrumentation. Nice prominently positioned plotter there on the starboard side of the companionway. I'll just pop out and let you see the varnish work there as well, which is absolutely immaculate, which is particular to Najads. Stepping below on BRINDABELLA here, you would be forgiven for thinking that she rolled out of the factory fairly recently. She is pretty immaculate, it has to be said, both in terms of the cabinetry and upholstery. The 405 was a nice sort of adaptation as well, move on from the 400, a little bit more performance orientated on the hull lines and slightly more contemporary interior treatment as well. There you can see the navigation area, electrical distribution panel, external speaker, VHF, separate GPS and plotter. Stepping forward with a nice well-appointed guest cabin, hanging stowage and stowage to both port and starboard. There's nice sort of white hull linings there as well, which really brightens the cabin up. So have a peep into the storage here. You can see that's been shelved. Moving aft, you have ample saloon there with drop leaf on the starboard side of the saloon table. The well-appointed linear galley running aft on the port. Little fridge compartment, a freezer compartment there actually forward. Force 10 cooker there as well. And then the larger fridge compartment, which runs aft right to the aft bulkhead there, so it's actually quite a good space. Moving aft, the really rather well-appointed owner's cabin, given the LOA of the yacht itself. A nice central line double berth, seating and stowage, and there's also a locker there just on the forward starboard side of that cabin also. And one of the nicer features of centre cockpit Swedish-built cruising yachts is that very accessible and well-appointed engine room. So you can see the generator aft the main engine. Fairly spotless bilge there. The vessel is equipped with both generator and watermaker, so well appointed for independent Mediterranean cruising. Of course, there is access from the front of the companionway steps as well, should you need it. So there we have it, BRINDABELLA, the Najad 405, currently afloat and available for viewing. She's located in Varazze Marina, which, as I said, is about 30 minutes from Genoa, so really quite accessible. It's a handy location. So for further information, or if you would like to arrange a viewing, please feel free to get in touch. Thank you.